In this test case example, we will be using a bank policy to demonstrate a common access control error called inconsistent assignment. This error has occurred when an access control policy author mistakenly defines attributes, conditions, or other values inconsistently in their XACML policies. For example, let's say a policy author has created many rules for a subject attribute value called manager. In one of the organization's policies, the author intended to create a rule permitting this manager subject to approve resource report C. An inconsistent assignment error would be occurring if, when creating this rule, the author inconsistently termed the subject manager as manger. This error could go on to create problems, since now this rule that this author believes to be covered is not actually existing. Unless there was a subject at the company defined as manger, which we will say is not the case in our example, this rule would not be defining anything. If we assume the policy has a deny-based algorithm, when the manager would go on to approve resource report C, the subject would be denied this action instead of permitted as was intended. This error would then lead to wasted time and cost for the access control policy author to take time to locate and resolve this error in their complex policies. If we take a look at our setup of this example, we will see we have several subject, resource, and action attributes and 3 ABAC policies. We have bank teller policy, which has 30 rules, loan officer policy, which has 24 rules, and F manager policy, which has 12 rules. Unlike many of the other access control error videos we've created, this example does not require much setup. The reason for this is, by design, Security Policy Tool prevents inconsistent assignment errors from being created. When organizations use Security Policy Tool to model, test, and verify their policies, they can easily convert their policies into XACML. In doing so, whichever modeled attributes they've created will be populated in their XACML document exactly as they have been inputted in the modeling area. For example, if we look at our bank teller subject attributes and see our teller 1, teller 2, and teller 3 attribute values, it is much easier to recognize any mistaken assignments in this modeling area compared to if we were to review an XACML document. In the next step, when we create our policies, we are only able to select from the previously defined values. After then creating our policies and doing any testing or verification as needed, we could convert our verified policy into XACML. In doing so, we can ensure that we do not have an inconsistent assignment error occurring. We know this because our policy rules and values will be populated exactly as we have modeled them. In summary, Security Policy Tool has been designed to make managing your complex policies easier by enhancing the way you are able to visualize your policies. This is achieved through its advanced modeling features, which help you to avoid easy-to-miss errors such as an inconsistent assignment flaw. You can download this completed Bank Test Case 5 project file on the Security Policy Tool website. Thank you.